Having the right dash cam can make a huge difference in your driving experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best budget dash cams that will help protect your car and give you peace of mind while on the road. The tricky thing about dash cams is that what works great for one person might not be the best for someone else. That's because different dash cams are made for different needs. So, I've made sure to include a variety of options. No matter what you're looking for, there's a perfect budget-friendly dash cam for you. You'll find links to the best prices for all the dash cams in the description below. Also, these are not ranked in any particular order, so make sure to stick around till the end. You don't want to miss anything. 1. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, best for most people. If you want a small, reliable, and feature-packed dash cam, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a fantastic choice. It's tiny, about the size of a car key, so you can easily hide it behind your rearview mirror. Here's why it's great. 1080p HD video with Garmin's Clarity HDR for sharp footage day or night. 140-degree wide-angle lens to capture more of the road. Parking guard function that alerts you if something happens while your car is parked. Live view feature lets you check your car's surroundings remotely from your phone. Durable design that withstands heat, cold, and tough driving conditions. This dash cam is super easy to install. Just stick it onto your windshield and you're good to go. If you need an affordable dash cam that's compact, powerful, and secure, the Mini 2 is an excellent choice. Rexing V1, best for wide-angle recording. Next up is the Rexing V1, a great option if you want an affordable, sleek, and feature-rich dash cam. What makes it stand out? Well, it offers 1080p Full HD video for clear recordings, a super-wide 170-degree lens that captures more of your surroundings, Wi-Fi connectivity to view and transfer footage directly to your phone, and a supercapacitor battery designed to last in extreme temperatures, ranging from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It also features loop recording and a G-sensor to automatically save footage in case of an accident. Its discreet, low-profile design blends seamlessly into any car's interior, so it won't draw unwanted attention. If you want a durable, high-quality dash cam that records a wide view of the road, the Rexing V1 is a fantastic budget-friendly pick. Vantru N2 Pro Best Overall Budget Dash Cam. The Vantru N2 Pro is the best all-around budget dash cam, especially for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants both front and inside recording. Here's what makes it amazing. Dual 1080p cameras that record both outside with a 170-degree view and inside with a 140-degree view, your car. It also has infrared night vision for clear cabin footage even in the dark, a built-in microphone for high-quality audio recording, and a 24-hour parking mode that starts recording if it detects motion. The LCD screen turns off automatically to avoid distractions while driving, and it works in extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just want full coverage inside and outside your car, the N2 Pro is a powerful and budget-friendly dash cam that's packed with features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more great recommendations. Also, check the description below for links to the best deals on these dash cams. That's all for now. Drive safe and see you in the next one.